Okay, so today I'm going to be talking about method 2, which is substitution, for solving systems of equations. For example, if you have, and this method is really useful if you have one of the variables isolated. So for example, if we have y equals 2x plus 3, and then our other equation is y plus 3x equals 5, this is a really good way to use substitution because one of our variables, which is y, is already isolated. To solve this using substitution, we would just take this y, which is equal to this, and plug it in for this y, because y is the same as y. So once we plug it in, we would have 2x plus 3, which is the same thing as y, right? And then plus 3x equals 5. And then we would just go on from here. So we have 2x, and then we have a 3x here. So we can add this up to be 5x plus 3 equals 5. Now, if we're trying to find x, then we can isolate it. So it'd be 5x equals 5 minus 3, which is 2. And then now to isolate the x, we can just divide both sides by 5. So we'll have x equals 2/5. Now that we have what x equals, we can plug this into one of these two equations to find what y equals. Let's use the one that's already, let's use this one because it's already isolated. So we have x equals 2/5, and we have also the equation y equals 2x plus 3. Now we can just plug this x into here, and we'll have y equals 2 times 2/5 plus 3. Now we can solve for that. So y equals 2 times 2/5 is the same as 4/5 plus 3. And then now we have to make these fractions match. So then what would be y equals 4/5 plus 15/5, which is equal to 4 plus 15, which is 19/5. So now we have our solution of y equals 19/5 and x equals 2/5.
Put it in point form.
If we put it into if we put this into point form, then we would, or if we graph these two lines, let's say we solve this by graphing, then when the two lines cross, I'm not sure exactly what they'll look like, but when the two lines cross, the point they cross at is 2/5, 19/5, because in point form it's always x, y.